Welcome to Z-Index. In this tutorial, I will show how to disable self-pingbacks on WordPress website. When you do interlinking on your website, it creates self-pingbacks. Using a simple plugins, you can disable the pingbacks on your website. I created a link of my another post that brings self-pingback here. I will now install the plugins. So my next post linking do not create any pingback. Download and install the No Self Ping plugins. You can also remove pingback from more domains. If they link your post, you will not receive any pingback. Go to Discussion tab to add more domain names. I will now edit a post and create an interlink to test pingback issue. No pingback created here. I will reload the post few times to check if any pingback created or not. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us.